This image pair is one of the most important image pairs we're going to see all semester long, so make sure to take note of the differences between these two works. They are on pages 406 and 407 in the textbook. The reason that they are important is that the artist Cimabue is considered one of the very last of the Byzantine artists of the Middle Ages, whereas Giotto is considered the first artist of the Renaissance. Cimabue is the teacher, and Giotto is his student. The time frame between these two altarpieces is about 20 to 30 years. When we look at Cimabue's work, done around 1280 to 1290, this is when painting was taught as a mechanical skill, rather than something more humanistic, as we can see in Giotto's work. With Cimabue's painting of the Madonna and Child enthroned, we see that there is very little believable space. The painting is very flat, it's very frontal, and we also have a problem with the Madonna being accessible. In order for her to come down to us, or for us to come up to her, we have to crawl over those apostles of Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Over in Giotto's work, we can see that there's a much more humanistic element, that the painting is brought together very much so by the way that the angels are looking at the Madonna. They're all focused at her, whereas in Cimabue's work, they're kind of looking all over the place. The Madonna has become accessible. She can walk down the steps to us, or we can go up to her. Her clothes fit better. The term we want to look at with Giotto's work is mimesis. Mimesis means to replicate or to reproduce, and in this case, artists are trying to replicate or reproduce nature. The better you were able to do that, the better the artist you were able to become. We're going to see a lot of Giotto's work inside the Arena Chapel in Padua.